Greeting, Matt Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can download Facebook and this desktop here. Yes, very important here. First thing you wanted to do is you bring an internet browser. When you bring an internet browser, you notice right up here in the search bar, you're going to type in Facebook, facebook.com. Right. Here, you're going to put in book. There's a .com. As soon as you do that, you can press enter. When you press enter, it will take you to this particular screen here. The next thing that you want to do is to come right over here. Right over here, you see this three for that here. Then you're going to click on the three for that. And click here on the three for that, you're going to come all the way down. Notice right here, it says more tools. You're going to come right here, two more tools, and then you're going to come right over here. Here, and there's a create a shortcut. You're going to click right here. If you notice right up here, it's a create shortcut. And right here is open as window. It's a create. You're going to click right here. It's a open as window, and then you're going to click right here, create. So as soon as I click create, this is what will come up. All right, so you want to minimize all of these and minimize this. All right, and if you notice, there you go. So this is it on your desktop computer. So this is the way how you download Facebook on your desktop computer. All right, very important. So if you have learned something from this video here, just remember to share it to your friend. Thanks for watching.